Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade gold cards in Monopoly Go. So trading gold cards on Monopoly Go is basically like selling stickers on Monopoly Go, and I will show you how to do that. In order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application, and on this application, you'll have to first of all click on the album button at the bottom right of the screen, and you will see all the Monopoly Go stickers that will be available on your account. Now, simply navigate to any sticker that you want to sell and click on that sticker. After this, you will see a send to friend option at the bottom right of the screen on this page. So you'll have to basically click on send to friend and you'll get this option to send your sticker to any of the friends that you want to sell it to. So you get the option to send this sticker to a friend, but you don't get the option to receive any kind of payments from your friend, whether it is Monopoly Go money or real money. So if you want to sell Monopoly Go stickers, you'll have to navigate to this page, click on send to friend and select the friend that you want to send this to, click on continue and ask your friend for the payment method through another platform. Now, what you can also do is receive the payment in form of another sticker. That is, you can exchange stickers on this page by clicking on make an exchange button just right here after selecting the friend. When you enable this button, as you can see, you can exchange this sticker with another person and they'll offer you a sticker in return when you click on the exchange button just right here. Now, you can exchange and sell your sticker or receive payment through another app for this Monopoly Go sticker that you're trading. You'll have to just do it for the gold card instead of a simple sticker. So any card that you have more than one, you'll be able to sell it. Just click on send to friend button and you can simply trade gold cards in Monopoly Go. That's the simple way to do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.